Yo, what is up, people? So, we have a PS5 and PS4 controller today that I will be showing you guys how to overclock. You can only overclock controllers on PC. It gives you a faster response time in game and just it overall helps your performance. If you play PC with controller, I highly recommend overclocking your controller. So let's go ahead and hop into this thing. All right, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the github.com, GitHub, whatever, which will be linked down in the description below. It should be the first link, and you want to come down here to where it says hid usbf.zip, not the fn down here, this one, because that one will not work. You want to click it and download it, which I already have it downloaded. So let's go ahead and open up that file. You want to go to driver, setup. All right, guys. So it'll ask you whenever you pull it up if you want to allow it to open or whatever. Click yes. I cannot record that because I'm recording and stream. I'm recording and doing this on the same PC, so it cuts out the recording. So you want to go down here to where it says all under devices and find your controller, which right here is mine. I'm doing a PS5 controller first. I'll do the PS4 controller after this. You want to press. It'll say no default 6. So what you want to do is you want to press install service, open. And then you want to come over here to 8000 on the PS5 controller and press install service, open. And filter on device, install service, open. Then what you want to do is you want to take your controller, unplug it, and then plug it back in. And now it popped up, yes, 8001. So this gives you a 1 millisecond response time. And so now let me show you on the PS4 controller. Find your controller, which, let me see if I can find mine. Here it is. It'll say no default 5 on the PS4 controller. What you want to do is you come over here, install service again, open. And for PS5 controller, you only do 1000, and then you install service again, and then filter on device, install service, open, and then again, unplug your controller and plug it back in. Wait for it to pop back up, and here we go. Yes, 1001. Again, giving you a 1 millisecond response time, allowing you to perform better in game. I have all my controllers overclocked. It performs better that way. I highly recommend that if you have a PC and you play on controller to overclock your controller. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Please leave a like, share with friends if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Should have more content coming soon. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.